Uniswap is a popular decentralized trading protocol known for its role in facilitating automated trading of decentralized finance DeFi tokens. Currently, guys, is ranked number 23 on the list, trading at $10.91 as I'm making this video, with a market cap of $3.8 billion. Now, let's see what markets you guys can get a part of this. They're on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Gate.io, FTX, KuCoin. What else? They're on Kraken, Bitfinex, Coinbase Exchange, FTX US, and Bitstamp. So they're on pretty much all the big ones, guys. So if you're looking for a platform to trade or hodl this, it is available. Let's check out their amazing price ratings. They got a C plus as of December 14, 2020 by Symmetry, and an A by Stable Outlook. So if you look at this, how they categorize their top cryptocurrencies. This is in the top 99% cryptocurrencies. That's absolutely amazing. I do prefer cryptocurrencies over to have ratings over the ones that don't, because they have some other company, they have other people looking at it other than myself. So that just adds more confirmations to getting into or not getting into getting into a cryptocurrency. Now, the news on CoinMarketCap, pretty general stuff. I will talk about the news when I get to a Twitter page. Pretty significant for people who are looking for employment. So I'll get into that in a second. Now, here's their website, guys, uniswap.org. So uniswap.org, if you guys are looking for some cool stuff about like their ecosystem, their economy, their governance, you want the right paper, please check it out, guys. I read pretty much as much as I can before jumping into a cryptocurrency, because for me, I don't like to put in small money. I like to put in pretty serious amount of money each position. So I don't want to waste my time on a meme token or meme whatever. I want to make sure that what I'm getting into is a solid platform, solid plan, okay? Now let's get to our Twitter page, guys. So they have 842,000 followers. So then there's a lot of likes happening, a lot of retweets, a lot of news happening on their Twitter page, so please check that out. But they are looking for people who are looking for jobs. For their dev team is hiring 4 engineers. So if you guys are looking for a job, maybe you guys can apply here. If you guys want to invest into the cryptocurrency, if you want to. Maybe you can apply for a job and do both things. See how it works on the inside. See how the team is. So let's get to that price prediction, guys. So price prediction, it is not looking too good right now. So let's look at the major trend right now. We're on the weekly time frame, okay? And it is look like it's possibly heading lower. I'm going to zoom into the daily. All right, you guys can't see that over there. So if you zoom in a little bit right here, we can see that it is really respecting this trend line right here. So what we might have is a condition like this, since we are slowing down right now, just a bit. Now we have a previous high right here. Now if we beat this high, which is about $2 up, we might head up to this trend line. And this trend line is pretty dangerous, because it might reverse to head down lower. Alright, let's see. It might make this move. So let's plan this out, okay? For like the best case scenario. So at the current price, does it feel safe enough to buy? Your upside can be from the current price, which is $10 and some odd change, like 91 cents, to its previous high of $12. So you're talking about like a little bit less than $2. So $2 gain, you're talking about over that. So you're not talking about like 10% bigger. So that's if it hits that high. And if it does hit that high, will it go up and hit this and say it respects this and heads down lower? That's the major trend on the weekly looks like it's going lower. So that can be option A. Go up, break this high, hit this right here, and be lower. Option B can be that it goes through at the current price and breaks through this trend line and closes above the trend line, and the next candles open up above this and start making this would be a new low. That's a possibility. For me, if I want to see that happen, I'm going to have to wait, because I see this as more of a short than I do see of a long. But I don't short all cryptos, only like Bitcoin and stuff like the really, really big ones. I don't short all cryptos. So for this one right here, guys, I am just going to do this. For me, first thing I'm doing is do a price alert at this high. That'd be 12. So my first thing would be 12, say 80. 1280, do a price alert. Check. Second thing, do a price alert at this part right here, at this crossover, and I'll put that at, say, $14.80. So do 2 price alerts. I want to make sure that if it hits this zone right here and crosses and hits this, then I want to see if both price alerts hit. Then I'm gonna look at it again and make sure that if it does do that and breaks above it and closes above this trend line, I can see that the trend is reversing. Then I can do a buy, stop, or market entry once it does that, or if it does that. But if it doesn't do that and hits down lower, I'm out of this trade and I'm not getting into with live funds. I'm just doing a bunch of price alerts. So my first thing I want to do, guys, and for the price prediction, I'm going to put out there $14.80. That's the price prediction for a short term. I don't know if it's going to hold that price or head down lower off this point right here. I'm just going to do 2 price alerts to make sure that the price is going up, and I don't want to put live funds in because it might not hold this position. It might balance up to that 1280 and then slam back down, something like this. It might do something like this. Give me a second. So it might go up from here and then immediately on a 9 to switch over and head back down lower, which is a possibility. So we go back to the higher time frames, go back to that weekly. Okay. This trend might not might not reverse but head down lower. It can go down to the 2 or 3 level, but if it does that, I'm make an updated video about what I think's gonna happen. I just want to put in the best case scenario that if it does pop, if you guys want to take that trade, go ahead. For me, I'm gonna wait it out and just do 2 price alerts. But my price prediction ultimately would be $14.80. If any questions or comments how I came to the conclusion, just let me know in the comments below. I will always go through and have that conversation with you guys. But let's get to my website, guys. I added a whole bunch of new updates. I'm just going to jump right into the economy and stats and click on the United States. Now it's not fully updated. There's a lot of things that I'm adding on here. So you click on the United States and the countries. You can click by. This is going to be a bunch of data in here. I still haven't got everything loaded on here. So this I put the which I will modify the debt clock on here. So you're looking for debt clock about the United States specifically, or if you guys want to find the U.S. gas prices for the United States. So here's things about the United States that's happening. I will put a whole bunch more stats on there so you guys can do a one-stop shop, look at a bunch of websites all at once. If you want to look at them independently, like the debt clock, just click here and click here for the stop. If you want to look at states, click on individual states right here. Now I haven't got all the states finished. It's like Alabama, Alaska. All you have to do is click on the state. It'll give you the statistics. I'll make it look better. I'm just editing it so it can have the feel of how it looks. Like you guys click on precious metals. You have precious metals, stats, commodities, economy. And also, there's going to be a cryptocurrency page for statistics and stuff on there too. But that's when I finished the cryptocurrency page too, so you guys can have that both. And if you're looking for stocks, same thing, free indicators. And if you're looking for a custom indicator, or you want to have get on my trading mentorship, just let me know. Get into the conversation. But guys, that's the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the